Okay, guys, who's up for a little Mecha Chameleon? Get your guy into position. Wait, don't touch that! I think you made him mad. Fiery mad! Wait, he's just 3D. Does this mean the game's over? Before it's begun? Well, we can help give you some camouflage. See? You blend right in at the local skate park. But next, why don't we try something with a little bit more color? Ooh, blocks! Either that or over the rainbow. Spring must be in the air because everything's coming up daisies. It's always nice to have secret friends in your corner. Wow, we should bottle this stuff. Quick, hide him. Dad won't like this. Especially when he sees the whole litter. But maybe he's more of a cat person. Either way, let's hope these costumes work. On second thought, it's time for hide and seek. Hi, Dad. No dogs here, or cats either. I can't believe that worked. He didn't notice. Good thing he didn't notice the mess either. Guess when Dad's away, the cats will play. Dogs too. Oh, you belong in a zoo. Hey, that's not a bad idea. Let's clean out one of your closets. Now turn it into a brand new habitat. Next up, we're gonna need some foam. Use it to cover an old wastebasket. Don't forget to spray on some gray paint. It's a little rock house for your furry friend. Here, Mr. Lion, this place is all yours. Ooh, this rope's really got a hold on you. Calm down, it's rope. It doesn't bite. Now that it's tame, stack these cans. Next, twist that rope around it. This could be a brand new scratching post. It also doubles as a festive palm tree. How'd you like those coconuts, kitty cat? While we're at it, let's throw in a pool. Don't worry, you won't get your paws wet. We know how cool cats feel about water. Now that that's done, it's time for a TV break. Oh, I told Dad to switch to digital last decade. Well then, maybe it could be our next exhibit. Got any stale marshmallows? Grab them. We can use it to paint the sky with clouds. Now add some special pet grass. Filled with treats. This will be one of our furry friends' dream house. But you can't ignore some small touches. Like cutting up this straw by the rims. Roll it up together and you've got a flower. Wow, so how does your garden grow? Here, puppy, let's check out your new home. Besides, who doesn't want to be on television? This little guy was just born to be a star. Okay, you know the drill when Dad comes by. We're just watching a fun little nature show. On second thought, our trusty slingshot to the rescue. His glasses! He can't see a thing without his glasses. Looks like it's time to flip the table. We're gonna need some popsicle sticks. Stack them up to make a cute little fence. Sticky too. Now let's lay down some grass. Oh no! A box! Her greatest fear! Wait, on second thought, we can use some boxes. Use it to make a makeshift mini barn. But aren't barns normally red? Add paint. Can't believe you did all that with red paint. Open the doors. It's an open house for one of our furry friends. Here, Bunny Cat, you'll fit right in here. We know what you'd like, some carrots. Ooh, guess you're more cat in that regard. Wait a minute, that's not a carrot. In fact, it's filled with blocks. Guess it's building time. After all, we can't have a farm without a trusty tractor. Especially when it's got delicious cat treats. Just be careful, it's lunchtime for you too. So make sure you're ready for inspection. Uh-oh, Dad doesn't want you hiding snacks. Let's just hope he doesn't know what else you're hiding. Well, might as well eat some greens. We haven't forgotten you, puppy. Here's a special treat. Now anytime can be playtime. But it needs camouflage. This bark already looks like the real deal. But let's help it get into the groove with hot glue. Now, draw out some glue over cold water. Take the strands, add buttons, and you've got mushrooms. If you do requests, make mine enoki. Now, puppy, are you ready for round 2? This game's the perfect blend of bark and bite. You know, all that playing is thirsty work. Remember, it's important to stay hydrated. It's also important not to make a big mess. Next time, try this device instead. It's puppy friendly. You can tell by the paw. It'll give Puppy what he needs to wet his whistle. Do the napkin test. See, it's perfectly dry. But let's play it safe and cover it up with rocks. There's nothing suspicious about rocks, right? And let's prevent another splash zone. Probably shouldn't keep him out in the open. Told ya. Think Dad noticed all the pet homes? Or the dog? Butterfly in the sky. I can fly twice as high. Didn't I tell you? Now where's that rainbow? Even better, I think we found you a new home. Aw, did someone order a cat in a basket? Well, even if she didn't, she's not complaining. Good thing too, we don't do returns. Cats and computers, they just go together. Though I think he'd prefer the kind with a mouse. Meanwhile, you got a warranty on that? You did. Wonderful! That means free cardboard. But maybe save that, just in case, you know? The box is already in just the shape we need. But make sure to slice up some pieces, like so. We'll need something to go inside after all. You could use some color. I meant the laptop. Oh, I see. We're making a laptop just for cats, complete with a personal scratching post. Knew that other laptop would come in handy. With this kitty cat, you also get a free alarm clock. Still, we should make something to maintain Kitty's energy. And this magic horn is here to help. Wow, a wood stick! This stuff is going right in the cardboard. Now slip into these custom banana peels. Next, grab some twine and twist it all around. Run through these holes. Add a cute cat face and something nice and soft to lie on. It's the perfect spot for your cat to rest, in between sleeping. Don't think Kitty's a fan of Pinky. But don't worry, you don't need a stuffed toy. You've got something even better, a paper cup. Add some wooden poles on the side. And now, you can throw on some wheels too. I get it. We can make cars based on our favorite Sprunky friends. And Kitty can play without knocking any stuffing out. Hey, even Kitty needs his private time. Let's just hope he's not in there all day. Okay, somebody's getting a litter box. And just to be clear, we mean the cat. But we'll meet Mr. Kitty halfway. How about we produce something in the old outhouse style? You know, we probably have heavy-duty scissors in back. Of course, it could still use a touch of green. Ah, vines will give it a nice rustic charm. Of course, when making a litter box, we kind of need some litter. It is in the name, after all. Come on, Kitty, why don't you try it out? Feeling shy? Don't worry, there's a door for maximum privacy. Which reminds me, don't you have business to take care of? Nothing beats petting a cat, but you gotta stay hydrated. Ugh, that popcorn's out of reach too. Don't worry, Queen Tantalus. There's an easy fix. We just need to make a brand new you, sort of. A picture so pretty, it needs a frame. But all the best things in life have depth. Not to mention a soft touch, just the way Kitty likes it. Sadly, what goes around comes around. Cats always bring something special to a home. Just remember, they just don't do tables. Seriously, this is like Cats 101. But at least they leave some cool paw prints. To make it last forever, fill it with hot glue. Preferably glitter glue. or just never touch the sand. But this way is more fun and sparklier. Once you add more glitter and let it dry, dig it out. Now clear off the sand. I mean, it's blocking the glitter. We can make it Mr. Kitty's brand new accessory. In fact, why not start a trend? Now you're both real cool cats. It's always fun to take some selfies, but they're always better with cats. If only there was a fun way to show them off at once. Well, looks like Kitty already has an idea. Whatever it is, it's got something to do with wheels. Maybe a spinning wheel? A hamster wheel? Oh, I get it! We're making a Ferris wheel! And there's plenty of room for all our photos. Just get the seats ready and start hanging. I heard of carousel posts, but this is in 3D and real life. Cat food? Mr. Kitty wants to make sure this stuff is safe. Of course, we need to make sure it's safe from him, too. Maybe we could craft something that could help. Chopsticks are very useful when it comes to food. It just makes sense that even cats have a use for them. Just what our special cat food dispenser needs. Crafting is thirsty work. Have some water. But more importantly, we need that bottle. Of course, no one would complain about a nice new paint job. Why don't we give this contraption a friendly face? You know, something Mr. Kitty can really trust. Of course, a cat food dispenser's gonna need some, well, cat food. And a bowl to catch the kibble and try it out. It works! But now for the real test. Does Mr. Kitty like it? He just can't resist a paws-on experience. That and kibble. Mr. Kitty sure is quiet. Wait, Derpy? Where's... Oh, there you are. You know, you deserve a real special treat. Preferably something we can make out of cardboard. I'm sure you noticed a trend around here today, right? But this project's gonna use all the cardboard we can throw at it. Any guesses what we're making? Whatever it is, I'm pretty sure it's going places. Well, for the time being, it's getting a paint job. That's right, we're making a bakery food truck. Didn't I say it was a sweet treat? Oh, I didn't? Well, I should have. Of course, the important thing is a place for Kitty to rest. Seriously, watching us craft all day has got to be exhausting. And I don't think he'd mind a little baking either. You earned it.